All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we got a good one for you.
Good one. A badass one. What you talking about?
Yeah, he's right. We got a badass one today. Obviously, we got StreetSpeed ZR1 up on the list. I was already excited and already tore the exhaust off and the tire rims and tires off.
Let's put it that way.
It's a little dark.
Yes, it is. Yes, it looks like that shit. So yeah, this is for Mr. Street Speed.
Yeah, so
717.
that's right. So when we turn the transmission out, and Century will be coming to pick it up.
Yeah.
And they're going to be building the transmission. Steven was saying probably build it, input shaft,
yeah,
new clutches.
whatever's available for the transmission is gonna be bulletproof.
That's right. I'm honestly surprised it's lasted as long as it has.
Oh shit. Yeah.
So that's impressive.
Look at the color of the differential fluid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Put it back together and then we'll be stopping around the dyno.
Where the old work truck is at. See, old
right.
work truck.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we do. Farm truck.
That's right, that's all we build. Farm trucks and ZR1s.
That's it. All day, baby, all day.
I ain't gonna let this bitch fall.
Yeah, if it comes down to it, everybody run.
Exactly.
1, 2, 3.
Drop it a little bit.
Okay.
Where do you want to go? It is Monday. We got the car back on the rack now. You know when we're getting the transmission back, Dan?
December.
December.
That started.
Alright, well, he doesn't have a clue what's going on. Just like that, while we were at lunch, the transmission got dropped off. Now Dan's grabbing a gasket at the back, and it is going in. It's pretty quick. Since Century Transmission here in local to us here in Houston, they did it quick.
I told you December.
December. Dan, I'm gonna smack the rest of that hair off your head. What do you say?
There ain't much to take off. Uh-oh.
So as you can see, we're bolting up the rear end right now. And Dan got everything else ready, got the cradle out. And she should be ready to stab. And she just got to move this stuff out of the way and put her up on in there.
Good? No issues yet?
So far, yeah.
I like knowing there's no issues. Alright, push it in. Stand by for further notice.
Till further instruction. Gee whiz, Dan, you know what all those fancy knobs do?
The only knob you need to worry about is one of my pants.
Oh! Well, she came in pretty easy, didn't she, Dan?
Yeah. Sure did.
Pushed right in, torque converter lined right up. Dan's already got her halfway bolted in. Alright, Dan got the cradle back in. Looks like Dan got this side all finished up. So you got the axle back in, all the suspension tied up.
You work out.
Same thing. It's like I'm doing the bench press, so I get up, I get start turning. Okay.
Thank you. Jeez.
Going to CJ.
Mm-hmm. Man, he's right down the street.
Who?
On Cooper.
Oh. Looking good, CJ.
Jesus.
Come down a little bit.
Whoop. job, Dan. Good job. How's she drive, Dan?
Green.
Drives green?
Like a dream.
Oh. That's good. Good deal. So now I guess just wait for her.
No coats or nothing.
Good. Just wait for her to go on the dyno then, huh?
We're gonna dyno it again?
We're tuning in on E85.
Oh,
Full
we gotta
85.
put those bigger injectors in it.
Do we?
Yeah, they're not here yet.
Wow. What are we up to?
Putting the coils on.
Putting the coils on? And why is that?
Because I took them off.
And why was that?
Change the injectors.
Change the injectors. Do you know what injectors you just put in?
127.
Huh?
127.
127? Right. So Dan's finishing up right now. He already got this side done. And obviously, as you can see, he's finishing up the other side right now. He already got the injectors in. So hopefully here shortly, this thing should be ready to go on the dyno.
Alright, so we just pulled Mike's car off the rack. We just finished, obviously, new transmission, so it's obviously all new clutch packs. We got the billet shafts in it. Same transmission we build on our cars that go mid-8s and that they hold. We went ahead and also put bigger port injectors on it because we actually just put E85 in it. So besides that, we really didn't do much yet for as far as gaining horsepower. Just a stronger transmission and the bigger injectors for the E85 in hopes that we can make more power on E85. We're gonna put it on a dyno hopefully next week. Of course, it rains the day we get the car done. So check back next week for some dyno footage and hopefully if the weather's good, some street footage. But I'll go ahead and start it up right now just so y'all can hear it with E85 in it. I did have I changed the base file for E85, so it should run and drive and idle okay. Again, we're gonna try E85. The goal is for it to pick up about 50 horsepower more than the 109 that was in it. If it doesn't pick up, you know, to be honest, we'll just put it back to where it was and let them run on 109. Just E85 is obviously a little bit more cheaper, so it'll save them a lot of money at the pump. But these cars don't have flex fuel sensors in it, so it's something that if we do this E85, he has to run E85 100% of the time. He cannot put 93 in it at all. It has to stay on E85. But that being said, listen to it. It sounds wicked. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Sorry there's no action shots in it, but again, check back next week and we should have plenty of action shots of it. Take care, guys.